So students, let us start with exercise 6.2. So here already I have written 3 questions and I have drawn the graph and cut because it will become a bit easy for us to solve quickly. So we'll move on how we are going to solve the same method, that is equality and inequality. So equality means I will be writing it as x plus y is equal to 5, and here I will be writing x plus y is less than 5. So here we need to find x value and y value. So when x is equal to 0, so just substitute here 0. 0 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. So this I can consider as a point P, that is nothing but 0, 5. Is it clear? Next, when x is equal to, when y is equal to 0, so it will be x plus 0 is equal to 5, which is nothing but x is equal to 5. So here what we are having point here? A is equal to 5, 0. So what are the points? A is 5, 0 and B is nothing but 0, 5. These are the points which we need to draw on x-axis as well as y-axis. Next we move on with the inequality. So inequality means what I said. You are going to just substitute 0, 0 in inequality, whatever is given here. So when I substitute 0, 0, what will become? 0 plus 0 is less than 5. Therefore 0 is less than 5. So can I say 0 is less than 5? Obviously. Therefore it is true. The solution region lies towards the region. Is it clear? Next I will just plot it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your x-axis. Just check where are your A points and B points. So based on that you can just plot the number of points. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is your y-axis. Okay. Now just check. It is first point is A is nothing but 5, 0, which is this point. Fine. Next B is nothing but 0, 5, which is this point. Now here inequality is nothing but what? Less than. So it will be a dotted line. Is it clear? So this dotted line I will write it as x plus y is less than 5, and this I will be indicating it as A is nothing but 5, 0 and B is nothing but 0, 5. Okay. If you just interchange and write even the points, that is, you can consider this as A and this as B. It is nothing wrong in it. Now, as it is true, the solution region lies towards the origin. So, as I said previously when I was solving solid example, so you can just shade it this side like this. Either you can draw a line or either you can just shade it this also. Okay, it is one and the same. So, here I am writing solution region. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, next now let us move on with the next problem. So here the same whatever I am just going to solve, that is the whole exercise 6.2 whatever I am solving, it is completely based on this method only. Okay. Apart from this, if you have any other method, as I said that I had used for inequality like x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Even in that format also you can write and find out the a point as well as the b point. So here you can just write it as case 1. Even in this manner you can write. Case 1 is nothing but equality. So what equality we have? 2x plus y is equal to 6. Fine. Just substitute when x is equal to 0. So what it is going to be here? 2 into 0 plus Therefore y is equal to what? 6. So this is nothing but your point. B is equal to 0 comma 6. Hope you are understanding. Next one, when y is equal to 0, so it will be 2 into x plus 0 is equal to 6, where 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are, so which is nothing but 3, and your a point is what? 3 comma 0. Is it clear? So what we have points, that is a is 3 comma 0 and b is nothing but 0 comma 6. Next we will move with the case 2, which is inequality. So inequality means what we are going to consider, which is nothing but 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So we are going to substitute 0 comma 0. Why only 0 comma 0? I already said, because we are going to consider on the x-axis 0 point and y-axis 0 point. Then only we get to know the points, that is the solution region, whether it is towards the origin or away from the origin. Just substitute the point. 2 into 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. Therefore 0 is greater than or equal to 6. Can I say 0 is greater than or equal to 6? No. Therefore it is false. Okay. The solution region lies away from origin. Is it points? X-axis, zero. So here x point is what? From hardly, I think on the number like 1, 2, 3, 4 you can write, and so on. Next one, just check with your y-axis here. Y-axis is what? 0 comma 6. So I think we need to write up till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is nothing but y-axis. Okay. Next, just plot the points. A is nothing but 3 comma 0 and next b is nothing but 0 comma 6. Now the plotting of equality is already over. Now next move on to the case 2. So case 2 is nothing but what? Inequality. So we have already proved here. So as it is greater than or equal to 0, I said when it is less than greater than, it will be a dotted line. Now we will be drawing a bonded line. This bonded line you can represent it as 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So what it is given here? It is false. It lies, the solution region lies away from the origin. This is nothing but your solution region. Hope you are understanding each and every step what I am doing on the board. Okay. So I request you all, when you are even solving in the exam using the graph, the same way how I am solving, I want you all to solve it the same method. Then only you will be getting 5 marks for this. Is it clear? Now let us move on with the next one. So next one, case 1, which is nothing but equality. So equality means what we are having? 3x plus y is 4y is equal to, when x is equal to 0, so it will be 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. Therefore 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 divided by 4, which is nothing but what? 4 ones are, 4 3s are. So your B point is nothing but 0 comma 3. And next one, when y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. So 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to what? 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So your A point is nothing but 4 comma 0. You will understanding what I am solving it on the board. Next one. Case 2, inequality. So for inequality, what it is? 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. Just substitute 0 comma 0. So it will be 0. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 is less than or equal to 12. As 0 is less than or equal to 12. So therefore it is true. It is true means what? It satisfies the inequality. So can I tell 0 is less than 12? Obviously I can tell. So here what I am writing? The solution region lies towards the origin. Point A, what we are having on the x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because here we have 4. Next I think B we have 3. So 1, 3. This is your y-axis. Just plot the points. So the first one will be A is 4 comma 0. Next B is nothing but 0 comma 4. Sorry 0 comma 3. Now just check out. Here it is less than or equal to. So when it is less than or equal to, it will be a bonded line. What we have in equality? 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. So this is nothing but your solution region. Hope is it clear for you? That is the first problem, second one as well as the third one which I have done on the board. Now we will be moving on with the next problems. We are going to solve, that is consider case 1 equality. Y plus 8 is equal to 2x. You can do one thing, you can just take the variables one side, if not even numericals one side and later solve for A point on the x-axis and B point on the y-axis. If not, just keep it as it is and just go on solving. So first thing, when x is equal to 0, so what it is going to be here? Y plus 8 is equal to 2 into 0. So 2 zeros is nothing but 0. So y plus 8 is equal to 0, which is nothing but y is equal to minus 8. So what is your B point here? 0 comma minus 8. Don't write it as minus 8 comma 0 because here we are considering the y means it is nothing but on the y-axis. Y point is nothing but on the y-axis. X means x point means it is nothing but on the x-axis. So next, when y is equal to 0, so what it is going to be a 0 plus 8, which is substitute here, is equal to 2x. Therefore 8 is equal to, just take 2 to the denominator on the LHS side. So 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So what I will be getting here? A point is nothing but what? 4 comma 0. So the points are A is nothing but 4 comma 0, B is nothing but 0 comma minus 8. Now next we move with the case 2, which is inequality. So what I have said, x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 2x. Fine. We just substitute 0 comma 0. So what will be getting? 0 plus 8 is greater than or equal to 2 into 0. So 8 is greater than or equal to the condition. So it satisfies the condition. So what I will be writing here? Same. Therefore it is true the solution region lies towards origin. Now just we need to plot the graph. So here I think we are having -8. Okay. So if we are having -8, I think it moves towards -y on the y-axis. So how am I going to draw here? Let's draw the x-axis here because I have negative here, negative point on x-axis. So this is your y and this is your x dash and this is nothing but your y dash, as you already know. Next point A is nothing but what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here y we have it as -8. So I am considering -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. This is nothing but your y dash. Okay, you just plot the points. A is nothing but what? 4, 0 and B is nothing but 0, -8. Okay, as it is greater than equal to 0, so it is nothing but a bonded line. No, therefore it satisfies the inequality, so it moves towards the origin. So inequality will go for 8 is greater than equal to 2x. This is nothing but your solution region. Is it clear? Next, now let us move on with the next problem. Case 1. Equality. So x minus y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0. So here what will be having? 0 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to, just multiply both the sides by negative, so it will be -2. So here B point is nothing but what? 0, -2. Okay. Next now we move with the x point. So y will be equal to 0. So it will be x minus 0 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, which is nothing but a is equal to 2 comma case 2. Inequality. X minus y is less than or equal to 2. Just substitute 0, 0 to get the originality, that is 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 2 and 0 is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, it is true the solution region lies towards origin. X, y dash y x dash, and this will be your y. Now just we need to point plot on the graph 1, 2 and 3, 4. So this will be 1 and 3 and 4. And next one here we have negative. So -1, -2, -3, 2 comma 0. Next b is nothing but 0 comma minus 2. As it is less than or equal to, it will be a bonded line, and it satisfies the solution region lies towards the origin. This is nothing but your solution region. So here it is x minus y is less than or equal to. This is the solution for the fifth one. Next, now let us move on with the sixth problem. Equality. Inequality. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 6, and here it is 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. So when x is 0, so when x is 0, what I am getting here? 2 into 0 minus 3 into y is equal to 6. So therefore minus 3y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 divided by minus 3. So here we are getting minus 2, wherein b point is nothing but 0 comma minus 2. Okay. Next, when we move with the a point, therefore it will be when y is equal to 0. So it is nothing but 2 into x minus 3 into 0, fine, is equal to 6. So it will be 2x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 threes are, which is nothing but your answer is 3. So your a point is nothing but 3 comma 0. Just substitute 0 comma 0. So when I substitute 0 comma 0, it will be 0. 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 is greater than 6. Therefore 0 is greater than 6. Therefore it does not satisfy. Is it clear? As 0 is not greater than 6, the solution region lies away from origin. So just consider here, because we have a negative y dash. So your a point is nothing but 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2. So I think it is becoming easy for you all to just plot the points. So the first point is what? A is nothing but 3 comma 0, and b is nothing but 0 comma minus 2. So minus 2 is here. Okay. Now as it is greater than, so I already said it will be a dotted line, fine, and it is away from the origin. So you will be writing here as 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. This is nothing but your solution region. See here, each and every problem I am solving it on the board. See that when you are just solving in the book, you are just going to write down the question and just pause the video, solve it on your own, and later cross check whether the answer is right or wrong. Because these what we are solving, it is nothing but linear inequality, graphical representation of two variables. If it is one variable, we did it on a number line. drawing on the graph by representing it on x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so if it satisfies, then it will be towards the origin. If it does not satisfy, it will be away from the origin. Hope you are getting whatever I am solving on the board. Now let us move on with the next one. So now let us move on with the 7th problem. I think few more problems left. So I have already written the 4 problems on the board. Okay, it is as simple as we solved the previous problems of the exercise 6.2 as well. Okay, so same thing, that is consider it as equality and inequality. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6, and next one minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. So here substitute when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, directly I am writing here. What are we getting when x is 0? So this part will become 0. So 2y is equal to minus 6. So y is nothing but what? Minus 3. Okay, previously each and every step I did on the board. So now directly just only the simplification I am not writing. Okay, orally I just wrote and I have simplified. So this is nothing but your B point. So it will be 0 comma minus 3. Now next, when y is equal to 0, so when this whole term will become 0. So minus 3x is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to, here minus 3 second to denominator. So I will be getting 3 2s are 6, which is nothing but minus and minus will get cancelled. So here what I am having, a point as 2 comma 0. Is it clear? Excuse me. Next, now we will move on with the inequality. So inequality, when we are solving, as I said, 0 comma 0. So what it will be? 0 plus 0 is greater than equal to minus 6. So 0 is greater than equal to minus 6. Yes, can I tell 0 is greater than equal to minus 6? Obviously it is true, because here it is a negative number. If it was a positive, then it would have not satisfied. Therefore it is true. The solution region lies towards origin. Fine. Now I will be just drawing the graph. So based on the points whatever we are having, that is x and y coordinate point. So based on that method, I'll just be drawing the graph. Okay. So you can just see I have just extended y dash axis is because we have a negative sign on what? Y axis point. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now a point is nothing but 2 comma 0. Okay. Next B point is nothing but 0 comma minus 3. So here as it is greater than equal to, so it will be a bonded line. Fine. So this I will be just indicating it as 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. Is it clear? And now as it is true, it lies towards the origin side. So when it lies towards the origin side, I think you already know which side you are going to shade the region. So it will be towards 0. So this is your solution region. This is the graph for minus 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to minus 6. Hope you have understood. Now let us move on with the next problem. Equality, inequality. So this will be 3y minus 5x is equal to 30, and next one 3y minus 5x is less than 30. Okay, now just substitute x is equal to 0. So when x is 0, so what it will be? 3y is equal to 30. So y is nothing but 10. 3 tens are 30. Okay. So your b is nothing but what? 0, 10. Is it clear? Next one. Y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, it will be minus 5x is equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to what? 5 6 are 30, as negative sign is there. So I will be getting minus 6. So it will be a point is what? Minus 6 comma 0. Is it clear? These are nothing but the points of what? 3y minus 5x is less than 0. Now we'll move with the inequality. Just substitute 0 comma 0. So 0 minus 0 is less than 30. So 0 is less than 30. Hope you are understanding what I am solving here. As 0 is less than 30, therefore it is true the solution region lies towards origin. Now just check with the points here. So here we are having minus 6 which comes on x dash of the axis, and here it is 10 which will be on the y dash of the axis. Okay. Why I have just drawn the white line on towards the right hand side is because we have minus 6. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. This will be your y dash. So here you can consider x axis as 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Here you can consider, are we just considering what points here? Even 2 for 1 unit I am taking 2 centimeters. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, I have just changed the y-axis points here. Usually what we used to write here 1, 2, 3, 4 on x-axis as well as 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis as well. So here to just make it still more easier, I have just written even numbers such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on the y-axis, such that it will become easy for me for when I am plotting the graph. Okay, so here you can write 1 unit for when it is for x-axis, it is 1 unit which is nothing but 1 centimeter. Here you can consider when it is for y-axis it is 2 units which is 1 unit which is nothing but 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. Next, just draw the point. So the first one is nothing but a is nothing but minus 6 comma 0 and b is nothing but what? 0 comma 10. Now just check here. We have a inequality sign which is less than, so it will be a dotted line. Okay. So when it is a dotted line, here the solution what we are having, solution region. It says that it lies towards the origin. So this is nothing but 3y minus 5x is less than 30, and this is your solution region. Hope you have understood how to write. Is it clear? Next one. The same way, I think this will become much more easier because we hardly have only the graph on the y-axis. So here will be y is equal to minus 2 and here it is y is less than minus 2. Okay. So 0 is less than minus 2. Therefore it is true the solution region false. The solution region lies away from origin. Just consider the graph. One, two, and three. 0, -1, -2. 1, 2, and 3. -1, -2. So here we have the point, that is the coordinate point. So 0, -2. As it is inequality less than, so it will be a dotted line. So here when we consider with inequality, 0 is less than -2, 0 is not less than -2, so it lies away from the origin. So this is nothing but your solution region. And here you will write y is less than -2. And the last problem is equality and inequality. So here we will have x is equal to -3, which is a coordinate is nothing but -3, 0, and inequality x is greater than -3. So substitute 0, 0, so it will be 0 is greater than -3. Obviously here 0 is greater than -3. Just compare these two problems. Here 0 is less than -2 and here it is 0 is greater than -3. Therefore, it is true the solution region lies towards origin. Next 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, which is nothing but your x dash, and this is nothing but your y dash. -1, 1, 2, and 3, and 5. So just consider on the x-axis, that is -3. So I will write it as a coordinate, that is -3, 0, and it will be a dotted line. And inequality, as it states, it is true. It will move towards the origin. So this is nothing but x is greater than -3. This is your solution region. So this is nothing but the solution of the last problem. So this completes your exercise 6.2. So in the next class we will be solving 6.3, that is 2 to 3 inequalities here. Hope you have understood each and every problem. See that until at least 3 or 4 problems you are going to solve it. Sync the board, and once you are thorough with it, you are going to just pause the video and you are going to solve the problems, and you are going to maintain the graph book. Okay students, thank you.